I want to show you something that we really enjoy every morning is peeking out the window and seeing this. All the ducks running by, and the geese, not all the geese are here, but 2 of the geese are just sitting right out here eating grass. Can you say duck?
Duck.
Duck. It's time for Dandy's daily halter training. This is going really, really well still. I'm just keeping her on the halter when I'm not working, trying to do it like 10 or 15 minutes every day, and she is doing so well. I'm not having to drag her. She's walking with me. She's friendly. She's not startling when we rub her down and touch her and walk her around. She's gonna lay down. She's just gonna lay down. They're pretty friendly. Shep's not aggressive with her, and she's pretty friendly with him. Look at that, yeah. I've come to a conclusion this morning that when someone offers for you to go on basically a free vacation, offers you an amazing place to stay, and the only thing you can think is, oh man, like, that's not possible. How could we go on vacation? We have so much to do. It probably means that you need a vacation. So just the other day, someone offered to let us stay in this really beautiful location for a few days. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Everything is lining up. We have homestead sitters, who has homestead sitters? Extremely reliable, trustworthy. We totally trust them. We're gonna go on a short vacation. So I have a ton to do to get ready. It's this funny because I haven't even thought about this, like the possibility of going on a vacation. I haven't hardly even thought about it. So I haven't thought through all the things I would need to do to get ready to go. But today, I'm gonna do those things, whatever they are, and bring you along. The first thing I've got to deal with is water, and it's probably just the most important thing for animals. I'm trying to make it easy for our house sitters, so I'm moving the bathtub from out by the barn to closer to the fence so they can easily fill it up with the hose, because I can't count on the rain to keep it full out there, but I can count on our house sitter. That's cow pee. It's like a waterfall. That's water for the goats and the cow. Next, water for the pigs. And I have this cool new setup. I mean, it's kind of cool, I'll say that. And I'll tell you why it's only kind of cool. I think I hear some trapped chickens. I'll have to fix that. Into the pig stall we go. I have a nipple water set up. And if you've watched my videos, you know I'm keeping these pigs in deep bedding in this big concrete stall in here. And here I've got nipple water. If you watched my videos, you know I really want to keep this bedding dry in here for these pigs. Pigs biting my tripod. And I've struggled. Water and pigs are just an interesting thing because pigs like to flip water over. I thought this would be the perfect thing to go in here because it would keep it dry. And they get a little drink of water. Turns out though, I guess they like to play with it because this corner is wetter than it's ever been. I mean, look at this here. This is like, this stall has never been like this. It's kind of unfortunate when what you thought was going to be the solution to the problem actually becomes the problem. The barrel though is great with us going on a little vacation because I can put a ton of water in there. I can put like a week or 2 weeks of water in there even. I'll let these pigs run around in this area for a few minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna grab hay upstairs to put in their stall so they have a dry stall this week. You saw it, I guess I don't have to tell you. While I'm going to get dry bedding for these pigs, what are they doing? They're out here wallowing in the mud. Dry bedding, wallowing in the mud. Kind of funny. All right, that was fun. What are you guys staring at out there? All right, pigs, back in your stall. A nice drink of fresh water. And spilling it everywhere. Oh yeah, forgot these. The neck and neck Turkin and her babies are all trapped in the feed room. Come on, you gotta get out. What are you doing in here anyway? Get out. Everyone out. Everyone out. I forgot that they'd run in here when I was feeding the animals this morning. So Brianna, how happy are you that we're about to go on a little vacation?
Really, really extremely overjoyed.
You've already got your bathing suit on.
Don't want to waste any time.
And we're not leaving for days.
Nope.
Well,
yeah, I was kind of...
I'm dressed too.
Did you talk about how it was kind of like last minute? We had this last minute opportunity. Really, we've been wanting to take a vacation, but August and September are pretty bad times this year for us to do that. For various reasons, but it just came up that we could go next week.
I guess someone we could call our rich uncle.
Don't say that.
Even though
in the bath now that Grace is out.
I don't think I don't think he necessarily qualifies rich, and he's not our uncle.
Our generous uncle. And then my friend offered to farmstead for us.
Which is extremely generous.
It's so amazing.
Her rich friend is going to farmstead for us.
Rich in love. What's our generous friend, generous family member, and generous friend? She's just excited to do this for us, is what she told me. Because we haven't been on a real vacation in 3 years. Because the last time we went on vacation was 2 years ago, but we had to come back every day and check on the animals, or every other day. So it's been 3 years since before we got our animals. We went to the beach. It's actually one of our first vlogs we ever made. That was the last time we went on a real vacation. Yeah.
That's amazing. That is a long time.
Yeah, we really have needed, not really because of the farm, but just it's nice to do something else.
It's good to have a change of pace.
I do feel like the winter is a change of pace, but then also we're so focused on school and holidays and then just like getting through the winter that it's not the same as a vacation.
No. So she's excited. She's been telling me today.
Well, I come down to him. He's out there changing his oil this morning or doing barn chores or something. I'm like, okay, I want to talk to you about something. Don't say no. I really need this. Can we do it?
I started the video by saying that if when someone tells you you can go on a free vacation and you say, oh no, like that probably means you need to go.
Yeah.
Because all I can think about the whole time, all I can think about is, okay, what could go wrong here while we're gone?
But we're not that far away. We
No,
can come
I
back
could
if
come
we
back.
need to.
I could come back anytime if I need to.
Yeah. It's not, that's the great thing about this opportunity is that we're like, it'll feel like we're a world away because it's this beautiful lake house right on this lake, and it's like a quiet lake with no motorboats or anything. And it's just a glorious, beautiful home. But we can come home if we need to, if something happens.
Yep, that's cool.
And we have people we really trust taking care of our farm.
I'm not sure how this happened. I thought this video was supposed to be about getting ready to go on vacation. I guess this is part of it though. I've got a power steering fluid leak from the high pressure hose on the power steering on this Odyssey. And let me tell you folks, I am the furthest thing from an auto mechanic. I did not grow up doing this. I learned how to change the oil. That's about it. And so this has always felt like a debility. And I'm trying to teach myself how to do this work. So I need to replace the high pressure line on this fan. I don't have one. I'm waiting for it in the mail. I'm trying to fix the leak temporarily until the part gets here because this hydraulic fluid, you don't want it all over your engine. It's it's really safe. And this dude has been screaming for like 5 days, and I think he's teething. Are you teething? Yeah. So I've got him right now, which is fine. I love him. We're buddies. Are we best buddies? Yeah. Is that funny? Well, I think it's funny too, big boy. I guess the way it goes is if I learn this stuff, then you learn this stuff too, right? Yeah. We can learn this together, you and me. That'll be good for you. I stopped most of that leak. I also changed the reservoir for the power steering fluid. That's good enough for right this second. I just ate supper in a rush after the family. That's not how I like to do this. My evenings, eat apart from the family, but sometimes it's necessary. And we're gonna go on vacation really soon, so it'll be just all together all the time, and it'll be super fun. This last job is to just build a little covered area to put minerals in for the cow. I've been giving the cow minerals every day, but when they get rained on, they're pretty much ruined. And so I want a way to cover like a few days supply. This will be very convenient for us and also for our house sitting friends. And so here it is. It's super simple, just a piece of old metal roofing, a little box, 2 braces. It's really rock solid though. Cows, especially calves, test everything. And then the bin can just go down inside like that, and the cows can't get it out or flip it. Water may blow in with the wind, but it's what I'm trying to avoid is the minerals just being flooded and ruined. So we'll just do a couple days supply at a time in here, and it will allow us to just check like twice a week instead of worrying about minerals every single day. Well guys, it is about 8 o'clock and my day is nearly over, kind of my outside work day. So we'll see you soon, maybe not tomorrow, probably day after tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I meant to ask you this earlier. Do you need a vacation? Leave a comment, tell us when your last vacation was, or if you're planning one, and what it means to you to get a little break. Okay, bye.